So students, today we are going to study a very interesting topic. But before starting with the topic, we are going to perform a small activity related to the topic. So students, I have this pencil with me. Now what is the shape of this pencil?
Straight.
Straight. Very good. Now students, I'm going to place this pencil inside this glass. Now students, what are you observing? What is the shape of this pencil?
Straight.
It appears to be straight. Very good. Now I want one student. कोई भी बच्चा आ जाओ. हाँ जी आ जाओ. Now pour some water inside this glass. Okay. Now place this pencil inside this glass of water. Okay. So students, what are you observing now? What is the shape of this pencil?
Bent.
Bent. Very good. Take your seat. Now students, I'm going to take this laser light and I'm going to point this laser light inside this glass. Please observe it very carefully. Students, what are you observing now? What happened with this ray of light? What did you observe?
Bent.
Bent. Very good. So students, my question to you is that what was the phenomena due to which this pencil appears to be bent inside this glass of water, and also this laser light appears to be bent inside this glass of water? What was the phenomena behind it? Anyone? Hanji?
Refraction of light.
Refraction of light. Very good. My next question is that what will happen if I'm going to use a lens instead of this pencil or instead of this glass of water? What will happen if I'm going to use a lens? Anyone? Okay. So students, this is our topic for today. Note down the topic in your notebooks. That is refraction of light through a lens. So before starting with the topic, we must know that what is a lens. I'm going to write the definition of lens on the whiteboard. Everyone, please note down the definition on your notebook. So what is a lens? So it is a transparent, it is a transparent medium made of two curved surfaces. So lens की हुंदा है? Lens basically transparent medium हुंदा है जो कि दो curved surfaces दे नाल बनदा है. हुन ਅਸੀਂ discuss करांगे types of lenses. So basically students, there are two types of lenses. First one is the convex lens and the second one is the concave lens. Second one is our concave lens. Now we're going to study about the types of lenses and I'm going to use this chart. We're going to study about the types of lenses. So first we will study that what is a convex lens. Basically this lens is thicker at center and gets thinner as we move towards the edges. It converges beam of light and forms real and inverted image according to the position of the lens. As you can see clearly from the image that this convex lens, it is thicker in the center and a bit thinner at the edges. Now the next one is the concave lens. So basically this lens is thinner at the center and gets thicker as we move towards the edges. It diverges a beam of light and forms virtual and direct image according to the position of the object. You can clearly see from this image that this lens is thinner at the center and a bit thicker at the edges. Now, in order to study about this statement and in order to prove that whether these statements are correct or not, we're going to perform a small experiment. So students, we're going to perform a small activity to understand about both types of lenses. For the activity, I need 2 students. कोई भी 2 बच्चे आ जाओ. I need 1 more student. Now hold this lens inside it. Now hold this lens. What are you observing? Just hold it from the center. What are you observing? Just hold it and feel it. What are you observing at the center? What are you observing? It is a bit thicker or thinner at the center?
Thicker.
It is a bit thicker.
Thicker.
So what type of lens it is? It is a convex lens, because convex lens is a bit thicker at the center and a bit thinner at the edges. Now we're going to place this lens inside this optical box. Now both of you please hold this laser lights inside. Just hold this laser lights and point it from this side. Or we can adjust it towards this side. If it's visible, hold it. Just come. Please come. Hold these laser lights and point it at the center of the convex lens. Hold it. Just point it towards the center. You also please come and point the laser lights towards the center. Students, what are you observing at the back side of this convex lens?
Lines meet कर रही हैं.
Lines are meeting at some point. So I've used a convex lens this time. Okay. Now we're going to use a concave lens. I'm going to place a concave lens inside the box. This is a concave lens. You can feel it. Just feel it. It is a bit thinner at the center.
Yes.
So it is a concave lens. I'm going to place the concave lens inside the optical box. Now again point these laser lights on the concave lens. Point this laser light. Point it towards the center of the concave lens. What are you observing? Students, what are you observing?
Rays फैल रही हैं.
Rays फैल रही है, मतलब कि they are diverging behind the concave lens. Okay, thank you. Take your seat. So students, we observed that with the help of the convex lens, the rays, they met at some point behind the convex lens. But when we use a concave lens, you observe that the rays of light, they diverged behind the concave lens. Therefore, we can clearly say that a convex lens, it behaves like a converging lens, and a concave lens, it behaves like a diverging lens. Okay. So now, in order to prove the next part of the statement, we're going to perform another activity. I need 2 students. कोई भी 2 बच्चे आ जाओ. So students, for the activity, I'm going to just enlighten up this candle. So I've just enlightened up the candle with the help of this lighter. So now, one of you just come here. Just come here and hold this screen. Hold this screen behind this. Just hold it. And now you just move this convex lens in front of this candle. Just hold it. And try to adjust it. Just come a bit closer. Are you observing something? Just let me. Now we're going to just adjust this convex lens in front of this screen. What are you observing? Are you observing an inverted flame over here?
Yes.
So what did you observe? With the help of this convex lens, we got an inverted image on the screen. So what type of image is being formed with the help of the convex lens?
Inverted.
Inverted image. Now we're going to use a concave lens and see what happens. Now just hold this concave lens and place it in front of this candle. Did you observe any image over here? No, right? So what we can say, is image being formed by a concave lens or not?
No.
No.
No. So we can clearly say that concave lens does not form an image. So okay, thank you. Take your seat. So students, we have just proved with the help of the experiment that a concave lens, it behaves like a converging lens and it forms the inverted image of the object. Whereas a concave lens, it forms an inverted image and it behaves like a diverging lens. So students, now we're going to recapitulate the topic and I'm going to ask you certain questions regarding the topic. So, if you know the answer, please raise your hand, don't give me collective answer. So what type of image was being formed by a convex lens? Anyone raise your hand. What type of image was being formed by a convex lens? Anyone? Yes, Sumit?
Inverted.
Inverted image, very good. Now my next question is, what type of image was being formed by a concave lens? Anyone knows the answer? Yes?
No image formed.
No image was being formed. Very good. Now students, I'm going to write the homework on the blackboard and note down. So the homework is, write 5 applications of convex lens from daily life. So students, I hope that the topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, so topic is clear to you all?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.